Okay guys, so I'm experimenting again. We have this in a cinematic frame rate, so recording in 8K on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So as you can see, the water has depleted. So I'm just going to simply lift that up. And this is a water that I've probably let go too stale. Now, thinking about how the water rises, as this doohickey mabob goes back in, it has not overflown, so we have successfully filled this adorable little tiny humidifier. Why is it focusing over there? Yes. Okay. It needs to focus here. Awesome. Moment of truth. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you could see it. So ready? 1, 2. I mean, I can see it off camera. Is there a little shadow? Yeah, you can sort of see it over there. And it works! Let's go! Just gonna turn that off. It only turned off the light, but I don't know if you guys can see the little puffy puffs. So it's on a consistent humidify setting, and I just changed it to not be as consistent so it can last longer. But yeah, I just wanted to share that and sort of just experiment with this recording and see how it looks. Alright, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all so much. Hope you have a wonderful time of day or night that you're seeing this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! I know you could see me right in that little reflection. Bye bye!